ski ki yeah malo be big bang giddy 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 ports 8 ports access 0.0 to 7 VLAN 1 type access. Oh, okay. Let's work on this. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's just work on this. Duplicate. Let's work with this. Let's work with what we have. Duplicate. So now we're setting up our VPCs. Okay, let me duplicate them. So each one of there are two routers here, and these routers have switches. These routers have each router has two switches each, and each switch has two VPCs. So I'm going to connect it like this. I'm going to draw it. Let's not add much. Let's just focus on what's the most important thing right now, and that is duplicates. Yeah, now time for the connection. Bam. This go here. Oh, hold on, let me delete it. Escape. Escape again. Delete. No. Okay. So this is the first one. Fast internet switch 0, and then to internet, and then to internet 0. Right, so now let's connect our VPC. So that's done. Now we have to write our loopback address. address for this. So loop back address, this is necessary for our OSPF, so that's 10.10. Yeah, so using claude and duplicates. So, two. Now it's $1. Okay, this will be let's cross check. So this will be one. Two. Currency. Dot two dot three. Then dot two. Two. Three. Start all start devices. Right. Let's work. Console. You are starting our motors for configuration. we'll start with this one here, 2, and the first one which is okay, let's first start okay. One, I guess. Two. Let's see. Pins. Pins. Okay, so let's so for the host devices of the host subnet, for the host networks, that means that the notations and see. So this will be 2, 6. Subnet will be 1. That's host device. 246 host device. For 1, the notation will be /24. This one will be 1, 2, 8, cos 2 is to n minus 1 equals subnet. Sorry, it's too long. This is supposed to be subnets. It's supposed to be host, but let's just agree to disagree. Okay, this will be 2 for 8. 2, yeah, 128 orders 634, yeah, 32, this will be 16 host devices for a subnet of 16, and this will be slash 25 slash 26 slash 7 slash 28 slash 29. This will be 32, that's 8, 4, 2, 1. This would be 64, 28, and 2 would be 6. So this slash 30 slash 31 slash 32. So our OSPF range will be in this slash 32. And look back. So yeah. Right, let's save this for reference sake. Notations table, very important. Let's cancel this. Dot 255 dot 0. I think that's it. Oh, let's just cross check. Oh, 255. The 0 means that all 256 devices are available, like 256 hosts. So what else? No shutdown. So let's see. Let's go into the interface. Interface. What's that? So the interface again that connects to R2. Yes, F00. Okay. Dots. Let's check. And total one. This one we're going to change it. So we're going to use 10.1 and set this to be 252. And 10.1 to that's no shutdown. Right, so move to this one. LAN to S1. Switch one. This part's not difficult. So from here to here is this, and that's F10, and F20 is from here to here, which is this IP here. Let's just if int f1 is 0, class C, so can have your cake and eat it since it's class C. So this one, shut down. Shutdown. So let's check our notes again. Yeah, this where the main cocoa is. We'll have to go into our terminal again. This is where we're going to set up our OSPF. Router ID, then all this assets. Router OSPF 1. Router ID 10.10.10. What was it again? 1? Yeah, 1. Yeah. Router. Okay, let's continue. So network 10.10.10.1 area 0. What was the first IP? Okay, yeah, this for our loopback address. Now for the router, for router 2, we are going to do 192.168.10.0. Connects only to this side here is to make sure that it connects to our W2, like connected via OSPF and stuff. 1.0.2 bye. This for 256 hosts, like any device connected to this IP address. This gateway, this default gateway will be connected via OSPF and network 10.1.0.0.0.2.5 area 0. Yes. Huh? Let's continue. So let's go into the console and do the same thing here. Oh, hold on. Okay. MCD 0. So I set the IP address here to 10.2. So I'm going to work with that now. So the last one we did here was what was that again? 10.1. This one here we're going to do 10.2. 10.2. No shutdown. Okay, let's exit this interface. F is the interface again. This F 00. Okay. Interface F 0/0. Let's just in the claude documentation that we have. Yeah, we'll set this one to .2. Okay, let's go. 10.2. Yeah. Let me check. Okay. Same thing. No shutdown. Interface of F10 and F20. Yes. Okay. Let's cross check. Yes. So that's no shutdown. Okay, so let's set up our OSPF config. Outer I guess. OSPF 1. Yeah, well, I'm wrong, so. Okay. Router ID 10.10.10.10. Let's look. To the slash 0. So let's check. And just temporarily stop this recording. Right, let's go. So we need to check our IP protocols. Global config. Oh, before then, do right. We need a global configuration and do right. Yeah, so show IP. Oh, let's exit. Show IP protocols. Oh, yeah, let's go. So this for global configuration settings. Right, let's exit this. Show protocols. Let me see. Okay, so let's check our OSPF. Show IP OSPF create. Show IP OSPF still very weird. Okay, show IP OSPF interface brief. Alright, at least this one works. This one is /32. It's supposed to be 10.10.10/32 /1 loop is for loopback address. one for, okay, yes, this for 2 and this for 1. Let's check for it. Okay, show IP in sorry, OSPF interface. Yep, and this one too is the same. So let's check show IP routes OSPF. Okay. Gateway. Okay. Oh. Show IP routes. Okay. Alright. So this one is variably subnetted, 5 subnet marks. Then so directly connected, just directly connected to the necessary. So show IP routes. Guada. Let's go. So now we have to set this, and just go here, go to console, and we'll start this. Ping 8. Reachable. Okay. So IP. Oh, wait on. What's that command? Oh, okay. Yeah, IP config. IP config. What's that? Okay. IP question mark IP address trees. Okay, let's see the commands here. DHCP echo. This is the closest thing here. Save, set, show, sleep trace. So let's see, this one here has this argument. This, you just put in your address here. This one just for automatic assignment of IPv6. This for DHCP, this for DNS, and this for domain. Let's check the show command. Show IP. Okay, let's try that. Alright, so we don't have any IP and we don't have any gateway, so let's set that up now. So IP the address, sorry. So this one will be, what's it again, .2. 10.1.1.2. Okay, let's go that. 10.1.1.2, and then the subnet to to, oh, we forgot to add the gateway. 255.0, and then the gateway, and that will be 10.1.1.1. Bam. What the? Hold on. Let's check it. IP. There's no address here. Yeah. Alright. So set up IP for this. I'm going to check your IP again. And voila. Our IP here. Our gateway is 1.1.1.1. So I don't want this one. Let us move it to this and console. Yeah, okay. Show IP. We don't have any IP, so this one will be .3. So IP 10.1.1.255.255.255.0. Now let's check the IP again. Everything's looking smooth. Cancel this one. So this one now will be 1.2.2 and 1.2.3. Let us go into the console. Let's just quickly kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay. So IP 10.1.2.2. Let's just copy this. Oh, why is it like this? Show IP.
So, question the morning, one page.
Alright, so show IP. Alright, so this part is done. Let us go into this side now. Console. Okay. IP 10.2. Now this .2. .1. .3. 2. Sorry. So almost some of the same thing. It's just that you just have to add the .2 to this side. So that's 10.2.1.1. Boom. P. IP 10.2. No. 1.2. these parts. Yeah, let's try. Okay, this part here, done this. Route OSPF, show IP route OSPF, done this. Show IP OSPF database. Let's try that. Show IP OSPF database. Oh, 10.2 link ID. This one is 10.2. Show IP OSPF database. This one is number 1. Alright. So let's jump ping to, let's open one of these device. Jumping to this one here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, ping 192.10.2.2. Let's see. Reachable. Why is it unreachable? Why? Let's go back. Okay, VPC 1 to VPC 8. Oh, okay, let's try this. Ping console. Okay, wait, let's try this. Let me see it again. Source. Oh, okay, you have to write the source. Source 10.1.1.2. Okay. Okay, PC8. Source. No, I don't think that's the right IP. I used .12, like the one Claude recommended instead of .10, so that's why it wasn't able to work. But let's test it out. So let's ping 10.2.2.3. It's force a timeout before it starts. Yeah, so the capturing the packets, and then we try from here too. I tested it from here, and now the thing's connecting. So let's inspect it via Wireshark. Let's do start capture, and so let's expand this. So when we inspect it with Wireshark, let's say from PC8 to PC1, we are going to test it. This is going to be, you see, it's already capturing the packet here. Look, showing echo ping request, showing the ID and the sequence number and time to leave. TTL means time to leave. Yeah, so if we go into this, all this is just ICMP also. Yeah, ICMP means Internet Control Message Protocol. So it's basically like a way for you to just ping to the internet to see whether it's alive or active or not. Look here, it's saying that Internet Protocol version 4, source 10.1.1.2 to the destination of 10.2.2.3. So now if we do it like from I think this was yes, here. Open shortest path first. Is your OSPF header. this is basically so this is the hello packet, this is the network mask or subnet mask. So it's a 252, this is a 10-second interval. Here this way is the most important. I'm saying designated router is here and the back of designated router is here. So basically the IP we set for this true router, not the loopback. The loopback is different. This is the IP we set for the two routers. In the active neighbor 10.10.10.2 at LLS data block. This one is not important. Okay, they are still communicating with each other, so we're going to do another ping again. This is IP packet. So the source destination is from here, and the source packet is from here, and destination packet is from here. I don't know why. Yes. So first of all, sorry, this is the source. This is the first one that we sent to this IP address, and then this is the response from this request from our IP VPC1 to VPC2, and this is the response from VPC2 to VCP1. And you know there's this OSPF that's going on in between. This is communicating with this IP. This one too is also communicating with this IP, and you know they are also speaking via MAC address and stuff like that. So I think that is all for today. We are still going to do more videos concerning this, and until next time, goodbye.